Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how I made these macrame earrings. It is the easiest macrame project you can ever make, I promise. I was done in probably 10 minutes, so it's also really great for complete beginners. So let me show you what you need to get started. For these earrings, you're going to need some macrame cord. I am using this 3mm single twist cord, and you will need 3 cords for each earring, so 6 cords in total. And they can be anywhere between, I'm gonna say 15 to 27 centimeters long, depending on how much cord you have to work with and how long you want the fringe to be. Then you're also going to need something to hang the cord on. So some sort of a earring hoop. I think I was Googling them under earring hoop findings as well. And there's lots of different shapes and sizes that you can choose from. You can have like full round ones or triangle ones or these like half circle or whatever you want to call it. So pick your favorite. You will also need a brush. So something that has like fine bristles like these. And last thing you will need is ideally a fabric stiffener spray. You could use hairspray as well. Just make sure it's not going to damage your cord. So try it out on a different piece of cord to the side to make sure the hairspray is not changing the color of your cords, for example, or that it's just not damaging them in any way. So let me show you how to make these macrame earrings. First, secure your hoop in place. You could just use duct tape directly on your table. Then take the first piece of cord, find the middle, so like this, and we will attach it to the hoop with the lark's head knot. So the middle part, you're going to place that underneath the hoop, and then through this loop right here, you will pull the 2 cords through the hoop like this and then tighten it. And that's your first hoop done, or first knot done, and you will do the same thing with the other 2 as well. Now we can do our first trim. So trim the cords a little bit longer than what you want your final earring length to be. And this is just to make it easier for us to brush them out. And now take your brush and brush them out like this. Once you start brushing them out, it might be easier to take them off your table and brush them out in your hand, and make sure you get all the way to the top. It could also help to turn them from the back and brush them from the back to really brush them out from the very, end of the lark's head knot to really get in there and brush it all out. And then this is what it should look like in the end, and we can trim to the final size now. I want my earrings to copy this shape right here, so that's what I'm going to trim them into. My earring is trimmed, and I've also used the fabric stiffener spray at this point, and that means this first one is done. And you will just do the exact same thing for the other one, and that's it. So, what do you guys think? I really like them. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try them, and I'll see you guys next week with the next video. Bye!